Alright, so I have no idea if this is actually going to work or not, but I figured, I would give it a shot. Let's see how it looks in the water. Oh wow. Okay, never mind. Okay. Well, alright, that does work. First cast, first fish, man. Little shiner on this penny. Alright, well, I didn't get to see the action on that, but it does cast pretty decent. Let's see. Oh, I just got hit again. Yeah, it kind of just looks like a spoon, which I kind of imagined it would. Side to side action. So this one is a penny. I was going to do penny, nickel, dime, and quarter, but I got tired of hammering. Let's see if we can catch anything larger on this. So I only brought this, and I brought a couple of jig heads. So I might try to find some worms or something after this, under some wood or something like that. But yeah, man, kind of just happy that worked. I had the idea to try it for a little bit, but never did it. And then this weekend I was hammering a quarter just because I was bored at the market. And I was like, man, I gotta really try and do that. And caught a fish, first cast, and that might be the only fish, but got something. We've had a lot of rain recently, so these creeks are probably blown, or I thought they'd be more blown out than they are, but water is relatively clear. It's up a lot higher than it was before, but definitely needed it. Somehow this got tangled up. There we go. Alright, well, I just realized that I left all of my GoPro batteries in my other camera bag. So I'm gonna try this nickel and probably call it quits, just because I got 20% battery and no other batteries with me. So my challenge to will be complete if I can catch one more fish. Which this seems to not be working as good as a penny. But there's got to be some stuff hiding around these rocks. That sucks, man. I was like, I'm gonna use my smaller camera bag. Oh no. My GoPro just says SD error. Try to turn it off and on. Alright, so hopefully my footage is still there. That's the second time with this new GoPro I've gotten that SD card error message. Yeah, I was just saying my GoPro is about to die. I only have 25%. All my other batteries in my other camera bag, and I decided to use a smaller camera bag today because I'm using a smaller camera as my big camera, and now I kind of screwed myself. But hopefully we can just get one more. Oh, there we go. Yes. All right, just got fish number 2, little green sunfish on this nickel. So I'm gonna call that it for this video, just because my GoPro's about to die, but I will catch you on the next one.